Today's lesson is over constant rate of change. What constant rate of change is basically it's going to be slope one day. That day is not today, but just remember that word slope. So your steps are, step 1, understand the data. Read the problem, look at your data, look at your graph, whatever they give you, understand what you're doing first. And don't say it's too hard before you read the problem. The next thing you're going to do is set up unit rates, or think to yourself, how would I set up this as a unit rate? Let's not call it unit rates. Set up your ratios. Or rates. Like miles per gallon. No, let's back up. Like miles per gallon. That's your ratio or rate. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to have a table. You're going to have several different data points. You need to look and see how it's changing from one to the next. So, find how much the top number changes and the next step is going to be, let's see if this color will work. Look at this one. Find how much the bottom number changes. Later on this year, we're going to call this Y, or change in Y. And this we're going to call change in X. We're not there yet, but it's coming. So let's look at an example and follow our steps. So if I have the data, let's pick a good one. Here's one. Hang on. Alright, here's our data points. If I have 2, 18, 4, 36, 6, and 54, 8, and 72. And we're talking about items and cost. Here's my table. Alright, so 2 items cost $18, 4 items cost $36, 6 items cost $54, and 8 items cost $72. Now, what you're going to do, set up your ratios or rates. So, I would take, I'm doing price per item. That's generally how you would do this. Price per item. Yeah. So I would do 18 over 2. That's like, just hang on. So I see that it's going to be this, back up, this over this, okay? But I want to look at how it's changing from here to here. It's going up 18, and from here to here, it's going up 2. And this is consistent every time. Okay. My second step is find out how much the top changes. So the 18 part is going up 18 every time. The bottom part is going up 2 every time. Okay, so I have my top is coming from this side, and the bottom is coming from this side, because I'm doing price per item. Then I'm going to simplify. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So my constant rate of change is $9 per item. You're also kind of going to be finding the unit rate. It's kind of going to be the same thing right now. So if in doubt, try to figure out how much one thing is, and that's how much it should change each time, because it's proportion, it's linear, it's straight, it starts at 0 and it goes up. So look at how much each thing goes. Say hi. Say hi, Allie. Allie, stay up here. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Mwah. Sweet girl.